Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up Amazon Echo Show 8 for the first time. So here I have the first setup step, and it is to pick the language. So for me it's gonna be English United States.
Hello, ready for setup.
You'll need to connect to some Wi-Fi network, and as you can see it also supports 5G networks, so that's very nice. We're gonna pick that one. Enter the password for your Wi-Fi network. And click done, then connect. You'll need to create or log into your already existing Amazon account. So I will do that off the camera, so hold on a second. So after a quick login, you'll be greeted with something like this. We can press continue. You could also read this privacy notice or whatever was there. Language mismatch, I'm gonna continue anyway. Time zone for me is Europe. From here there will be some address. It's probably blurred right now, but just press continue or skip. So I'm gonna actually skip that. Continue. You can select in which room your Echo Show 8 will be. For me, let's pick living room, but it doesn't matter right now. Select the name for it and then continue. After that, you can choose a photo display. I'm just gonna skip that. So here we are. Our device should be ready by now. There's a time, there's news which we can play.
Here's the story.
And just operate the device normally. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.